Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a tomato and carrot soup. This simple and one-pot recipe is very easy to make. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium and vitamin K. It also reduces the risk of heart disease and cancer. And on the other side, carrots are highly nutritious and a good source of beta-carotene, fiber and potassium. Most importantly is that carrots are very good to improve eye health and vision. We will need 5 big tomatoes, 400 ml of water, 1 big onion, 5 big carrots, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon grounded pepper, 1 tablespoon ghee, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, and 2 bay leaves. We are going to start off by putting our instant pot on the sauté function for 5 minutes. Then we're going to add our ghee, then once it's melted a bit, we're going to put in our cumin seeds, along with our bay leaves and cloves. Then we're going to mix everything well and add our garlic, and saute it. Then we're going to add our onions, carrots, tomatoes, grounded pepper, salt, mixed herbs, and then mix. After that, we are going to add some water. Then mix it a little bit. Now we're going to close the Instant Pot and put it on pressure cooker for 10 minutes. Don't forget to check that your whistle is on the sealing position. We've let it cook for 10 minutes and we've also gave it another 15 minutes to release all the pressure out. Now we're going to open the lid. Make sure that your whistle is on the venting side before you do this. Wow, that smells so delicious. Then we're going to take the bay leaves out and then blend it. Now that we've got it to the consistency we want it to be, it's time for serving. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!